Okay, so I just bought this thing. It's a lens for my phone, so it has more of a wide view to it. So I'm gonna take off the cap. Let's see how this thing works. I'm supposed to pinch it and do that. Focus. Whoa! You can see a lot more around me now. But this thing is huge. Holy cow, that is what she said, yeah. Holy bejesus, Batman. So this is with the lens. Hello, hello. And this is without. Wow, that is significant. Anybody who wears glasses, you ever heard of this? You know, just tell me which one looks better. 1 or 2. 2 or 3. Holy cow, that's significantly bigger. Okay, all right. So, sorry, my air conditioning just kicked on because it's like crazy hot here in Phoenix. I know I keep saying it, but that is what we are known for. So first off, I'm just testing a new thing. I feel like, oh, what's that girl? What is that girl from, like, the 90s? Missy Elliott. Alright, so I'm gonna give you cues of this already, but new lens, sort of digging it, gonna play with it for a little bit, but I just wanted to kind of touch base with y'all and just say happy National Tequila Day. Yes, tequila day. So for those of you who don't know, I am a fan of Jose and all his other cousins, and today we're going to celebrate Tequila Day by having a shot of tequila. So I just want to say thank you all for putting up with me and this whole YouTube business thing. I'm learning a lot and I'm having a lot of fun and I'm loving all the feedback. Also, let's just talk. Let's talk for a second. Hold on. If any of you are interested, the lens that I ended up buying, I found it on Amazon for like $30, and it's this bad boy. Boop. And so far so good. I will know more when I go to edit, but yeah, it comes in this really decent case. It's about the same size as like one of those game systems. But yeah, there's 2 caps, one for the back that actually sits on the camera, on the phone, and of course the bigger cap. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below. I just did a stupid thing, pop that out, there you go. There's like a foamy thing to kind of protect it all. Cool, I dig it. Dig it a lot. So what's going on with me? This is just gonna be a quick video. Right now, let's see, I wrapped up the whole, first off, hold on. Cheers, y'all. Kink. What I'm drinking is the Jose Cuervo El Especial. It's the blue agave silver tequila. Yum, yum, yum. Hashtag not sponsored, but nevertheless, cheers. Haven't had tequila for a while, but we're good. Oh yeah, Jose and I, we're friends. But like I said, I like his cousins too. I actually acquired this after a party. Someone was like, hey, you like tequila, right? And I'm like, hey, don't accuse me. Yes, I do enjoy tequila, and I don't. Here's the thing, this was mixed in with a bunch of other drinks, so I'm gonna try this for the first time on camera. Just straight as is. Again, we are celebrating the National Tequila Day. But anyways, I told you about the lens, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm working on right now. I have a friend who saw my video about the arc reactor. It's a fun video. This was a lot of fun to put together. But anyways, my friend saw that video and she was like, man, that's really cool. Anyways, long story short, she really liked the video and she really wanted one of these things. So I told her, I'm like, hey, I'll make you a deal. You buy another one of these things, I will put together your little doohickey and make a case for it. So right now, that's what I'm working on. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Sorry, I had a bug on you. And anyways, I want to say happy birthday to a friend of mine. You know who you are. She would not partake in one of these things, but that's okay. She will sit there, smile at me, and enjoy her hard OJ. With that being said, happy Tequila Day, and I'll see you soon. Yep, I think I grew some chest hair.